think we're live. Are we live? Are we live? I think we're live. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, I think we're doing good. I'm gonna give it some time. Twitch is taking a while though. I don't know why. Why is the Twitch not... Oh, okay, Twitch is good now. Ooh. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Just gonna edit some stuff real quick. We'll get started very, very shortly. Promise, promise. Set that on. Okay. All right, let's see what happens. Okay. All right, no one's here, but I guess we'll get started. I'll be looking at the chat. Okay, so I understand the gas documentation system, so I'm just going to kind of just recreate a sprint ability then using that project. So let's look at his... I'm gonna kind of copy his character movement component first. I think that's really, really easy. Okay. I think this is going to be a dead stream. Yesterday was not a bad stream, but this is going to be a dead stream. I have that feeling. Okay. Okay, so he does a lot of stuff here. So this is his header class right now. So my header class, let's just pin this guy. So I don't have to keep going back and forth too much. So first he makes his F save move character class. So let me just copy that. I don't know if I'm gonna... He typed Fset. I don't know why he typed Fset, but he does. Oh, got one viewer. No idea who it is, but welcome. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome. Oh, and he's gone. It's gonna take a while. I probably can't find any references for this guy. Let's check some other stuff, actually.
So we...
Oh, nope. Trying to, like, get rid of some stuff. Hopefully my restream chat's working. I feel like sometimes that's not working. Okay, but yeah, we are live. Okay. That's not really called super. That's in... Oh, hey, Affix. Hello, Bio. I see you too. Okay, I think I understand why it's taking so long to find all references for super. So, like, is this like you just have to type stuff it? It's probably used in like. It's using an ability system component. But this is like something else. Why does he type def this? Is there any significance to it? Type def super? Is this like some C++ thing that I just don't know? Type def super. What's the deal with Deno? Deno? Don't know what that is. Type def super. Is it? I didn't know that. Dash dash. I did not know that, good sir. Is that true? Why would you make custom CMC when Epic is merging gas and CMC next update? I literally had no idea. That's news to me. How do you guys find out about this stuff? So then what do I do in the meantime? Just like not work on it? Is that true though? Or I'm just literally just gonna look up. I might go on Discord really quick. I might ask about that. I just want to confirm that. Not that I don't trust you, dash dash. I can just search in Discord. Just look up CNC. You can ask Epic staff. And I'm assuming next update is 4.26. I don't know where they even asked that. Affix, which channel should I ask that question in? I don't even know. We won't know when. Ooh. Let's look at the roadmap. It's like a Trello board, I think. Mr. Dash Dash, I love your name because it can be pronounced so many ways. Hyphen, hyphen. Probably just gameplay ability system. I might ask it there. Could be like any of these. What did I do? My computer's really slow too. Bro, why is this so slow? Holy moly. Holy mullet. Zero search results. I could literally just look through these one by one. There's not that many, so. Okay, look at future releases. I don't really see it. I believe him though. I definitely believe him. Or her. I believe Mr. Dash Dash. Did I go past it? Just looking for gas or. I'll ask in the Discord. So the claim was, is CMC going to be merged with gas in a future Unreal Engine update? Question mark. Okay. All right, I asked. I might just do it anyway. I might just keep going with what we're doing. Wow, my thing's really slow right now. Okay. I don't know. I think maybe that Trello board was making my computer lag, which is ironic because just goes to show that my computer is kind of trash. But yeah, wow, everything is just. Whew. I apologize if the stream is lagging right now. I'm just gonna keep doing it because I can make an ability out of it anyway. So. Oh, I know why, because this is running in the background. This final references thing. Yeah, let's get rid of that. Basically, I was wondering why he type stuffed this. Because I think he does it for not just the save move character, but he also does it for this guy too. I don't understand. What is typed up super? Okay, I think my thing's a little faster now. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Stream might have been lagging there. Chrome is RAM. Nah, it wasn't. It was Visual Studio. Although Chrome is RAM greedy, but this time it was Visual Studio. All right, what is typed up super though? Real talk though. Typed up super. I see it. Okay. Yes. What is this? Okay. I think I understand. I think you're right. I think you are right, good sir. Yes, I upvote everything, even before I read the answers. A very bad habit. What does it mean? Nah, Fix, I trust you. I trust you. But typed up super. Does it just mean... Wait, let me go back to this. I'm going to open this link like in a separate tab because I don't know this website. Okay, here we go. That's a good explanation. Typed up super. Aliasing the base class as super. This allows you to use super to call the base class constructor from the derived class. Oh, okay. I thought that was already like implied. Okay, I understand that. I get that. Yeah, I thought that was implied though. Interesting. Okay. Type def super. I thought that's weird. Okay. I thought. I might try it without it though. So yeah, let me just copy this stuff. But yeah. I did not know that though. Man, dude, Unreal changed it. Dude, it's like Nick White said. And Affix, I know you get it because I remember you said you watched Nick White. Everything updates so bloody fast. That's what I thought, Affix. So I'm gonna try removing this because I feel like you don't need that, but we'll see. I don't know. FFN. Oh, that's gonna be so weird, but that's okay though. Oh, maybe it's not implied. It might not be implied. I'm gonna see. We'll play around. We'll play around with this. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I'll keep his comments. Yeah, by the end of the stream, I basically just figured out like what all these do. We're gonna get rid of that. This means 1 bit. So it's smaller than a bool. It's 1 bit, baby. 1 bit. We'll get rid of that. Oh. FFN. That's so... Oh my goodness. That's so bad to read, but we'll keep it anyway. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's move on. Affix, how was your day, man? How you doing? Doing well today? Yeah, I gotta copy all these methods, literally. How is everyone doing? That's the real question. Hope everyone's doing splendid today. Yeah, we'll copy all of that. I still don't... I didn't know you could do this syntax. It kind of creeps me out, to be honest. I'm good, Affix. Thank you for asking. Appreciate that. Actually, I might even look up this syntax. Just been grinding some gas, Affix. I feel you on that. I guess I'm kind of in the same boat. Alright, so he did that. I don't need that. He sets it to false. I actually want to look up that syntax again. So I want to do C++ double colon twice. Method definition. Oh wait, no, okay, I understand it. I understand. I don't need to look it up. It's basically this guy isn't this guy. That's it. Super clear. Oh wow, so I can't. Ah, Affix, you're right. You do need the type def super. Okay. Because right now when you use super here, it defaults to the U character movement component superclass. There we go. You're right, Affix. You were right. 100% right. So that's why he has this type def super here, because basically he's replacing the original super with the real base class. That's weird. I thought it was implied, but I guess because we're defining all of these functions in a class derived from U character movement component, it's gonna override all the other supers. So I see. It's like weird. Okay. I hope everyone else is doing swell. I hope someone, you know what's gonna be funny? I'm gonna get this sprint ability running, have the CMC done, and then someone's gonna respond in that Discord saying, yes, it is going to be replaced. And then I'm just gonna be like, wah, wah, wah. Because honestly, man, I underestimate Epic. They're quick, man. Like even though it's still in the beginning stages, that plugin for Epic Online Services, I thought that was going to take way longer, and they surprised me out of the blue. And I'm really glad about that too, so I think that's awesome. So yeah, they got another unsigned integer. I believe this is 8-bit? Yeah, 8-bit, so it's 1 byte. Does anybody know what an ability task is? Let's look at it. Why not, baby? Let's look at some ability tasks. Ability tasks are a specialized form of the more general gameplay task class intended to work with gameplay abilities. Games that use the gameplay ability system usually include a variety of custom ability tasks which implement their unique gameplay features. They perform asynchronous work, keyword asynchronous, during a gameplay ability's execution and have the capability to affect execution flow by calling delegates or moving through one or more output execution pins. So he had, actually for a sprint ability, he did have an ability task, right? So the main ability is essentially just like, well, first he applies gameplay effect, gameplay cue, the usual stuff. So like effects, you know, all that good stuff, you know, setting the attribute, whatever. Then of course he sets the flag in his custom character movement component, and this is where he has his ability task, I believe. It's one of these. Actually, no, he doesn't. I think I'm wrong. I thought he did have an ability task here. Sorry about that. I'm a liar. We'll keep reading it. Ability. Oh, wait, no. This is an ability task. I think I was looking at ability task because I'm looking at this picture right now. Ability task can self-terminate by calling the end task function, or it can wait to be terminated automatically when the gameplay ability that ran it ends. Oh, so basically the ability task is just your ability logic. Right, because this is the picture. So it's essentially just... That's what I'm getting at here. This prevents phantom ability tasks from running, effectively leaking CPU cycles and memory. For example, one ability task might play a spell casting animation while another places a targeting reticule at the player's aim point. Targeting reticule. The gameplay ability can end if the player either hits a confirm input to cast the spell or waits for the animation to finish without confirming the spell. Although they can self-terminate at any time, the ability tasks are guaranteed to end at least when the main ability ends. Note, ability tasks are designed to be used in both network and non-networked environments, although they do not directly update themselves across the network. They generally stay in sync indirectly, since they are created by gameplay abilities and use replicated information such as player input or networked variables to determine their execution flow. A melee attack gameplay ability, implemented blueprints, the play, montage, and wait for event ability task at the center is part of the Action RPG Center. So they're saying this thing in the middle. So I guess you were right. It's the thing with the clock. Because like you said, it's asynchronous. It doesn't apply right away. Basically, it gets triggered in what? Every second? But also they have these delegates. So I guess in this case... Yeah, you were right. This guy's the ability task. And that's the delegate. Affix, it's okay. I'm probably useless, but I appreciate you being very nice. I feel like I'm not that great. Wait input release. But yeah, this is an ability. Because it's asynchronous, right? Like the actual function, this on release function, doesn't get called until like something like the mouse button gets released. But it'll still keep going with this stuff. I guess these are technically ability tests too. That's really hard to tell. I guess anything weight, like you said, affix is an ability task. Yeah. It's on sync though, so I mean, only server weight. What does that mean? Synchronize execution flow between client and server. Depending on the sync type, the client and server will wait for the other to reach this node. Or another wait sync net sync mode. Thank you, affix. I appreciate that. And the ability before continue executing. Okay, so actually I'm wrong. I guess this is not asynchronous because it's waiting. It's because it's on only server wait. Only server will wait for the client signal. The client will signal and immediately continue without waiting to hear from server. So this is another ability task for the mana drain or whatever, stamina drain. This gets executed by the server. Well, it gets executed by both, but by the server when it gets a signal from the client. Honestly, I'm still not even sure about what I just said. I kind of paused because, again, like we saw last time, this ability, because class defaults, thank you for teaching me that, Apex. The replication policies do not replicate it, so it's like... So it's like weird. I don't know if like this is even getting there. And I have to understand, I guess I don't really have to understand this stuff, but because I'm not doing stamina. But yeah, this is wait net sync. Yeah, this is like weird because I don't know if this even gets called, like, you know, on the server. I'm still like really confused about that. This is the GA Sprint blueprint. Okay. Ability tags. Ability.sprint. I forgot. How does the ability get linked to the like input ID again? I always forget that part. Project settings. I get the input, like the sprint, yes, left shift, and this gets tied to... not that one. It was like this one. Yeah, this gets tied to this. But then how does... Might have been in here. Add abilities. Ability. It was in one of these. I'm trying to refresh my mind. Because I mean, again, like it took me like a couple weeks to finally learn how to say ability system component instead of ability component system. So I mean, it's gonna be rough for me. Let's just go through this. Try looking for a function right now. No, not bind ASC input. Well, that one is important too. Where is his possessed by function. I think it's this one. Oh, no, F12. Gotta use F12, baby. Okay, so that wasn't the character base. So he's saying, so only on the server. Okay, so this is where it's done, essentially. He does it here. Okay. Okay, I get that. I get that. Does it here. I'm gonna look at his player state real quick. Or wherever he sets like the set replication mode. This is gameplay effects, but he's saying thank you, Affix. Appreciate that. Thank you, Affix. Appreciate that. Okay, so the answer, I guess, is no. Because, I mean, he said, why would it replace it? I don't know. I don't know. I definitely don't know, so. Character movement component it is. We'll keep moving. I feel like this network prediction plugin might be something big. It sounds big. Okay, moving on. Alright, I'll figure out the gameplay ability stuff later. Let's just keep moving on for now. Okay, so flag custom 0. In our case, we have one flag. It's save request to start sprinting. Very nice. Okay, FG. Okay, we gotta replace all these. So, if save move doesn't, if it doesn't equal, okay, so he's casting the save move pointer to our save move, and he's checking save request to start sprinting. Okay. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. You have two moves if the current move we're on is not sprinting. The next move is. You can't combine them, so it's true. Set move 4. I forgot what this does again. You had a comment. Okay, so basically these two moves do similar things. So yeah, this one I remember just sets a bunch of things. Why is this? Oh, I need an include statement. Oh no. Oh. Why is this? Oh, first off, this. Second off, this stuff definitely does. It doesn't exist yet. I'll just do. Yeah, we'll just don't worry about that for now. Okay. I still don't know what flags are. Don't worry about affix. I don't know either. I think it's. Yeah, I mean. It's hard, man. I feel Tranix's pain. I don't know if I want to call it pain, but I understand his struggles because, I mean, looking back at my game lift tutorial series, like, I wish I could have made that shorter too, but it's one of those things where, like, I personally just wanted to make it, like, huge so that, and as verbose as possible so that I could cover every single thing, it could cover every single question. or as many questions as people could possibly ask. And I feel like I'm not going to speak for him, but my guess is that maybe his approach was similar. He wanted to make it really big. It covered a lot of things so that he can cover a lot of topics at once and, you know, answer a lot of questions at once that would be asked if the documentation was smaller, for example, I guess. But yeah. But the difference is I think mine maybe were a little too long, my videos. Unfortunately, but it is what it is. He doesn't really do anything here, so I'm just gonna not do it. I'm just gonna get rid of that. That seemed redundant to me. I don't know why this is red. Oh, that's why. That's why the constructor wasn't showing up. And this is just that. This is what's sent to the server. Yeah. No, he did a great job. I can't complain. He did an amazing job. Fantastic job. Beautiful job. 10 out of 10. Did he cast the... Oh, wait, no. This is the player state. Did he? I don't know. Oh, thanks, Affix. I appreciate that. We're gonna build this. I have no idea how this is gonna go. Also, as a reminder to everyone watching, if you want to support the channel, please temporarily turn off ad block and refresh that page, baby. And hopefully you'll get an ad, and hopefully you will watch some of it at least. Appreciate it. If you guys want to. That's to help the channel, of course. I found the line trace. That's good, Affix. That's good. Yeah, I gotta, like, try to do things one by one. Simple multi. Nice. Need a... Oh, that is an error right there. Oof. Unable to... What? Oh, it's complaining about this? Okay, so then I need... Why does he not have this error? Oh, you know why? Because he did that. He can't... Alright, then I'll do... What's the include for this? Yeah, I was peeking at those analytics there. You guys might have caught that. All right. I agree, Affix. I agree. What was I looking up? Unreal Engine. Oh, character class. Okay. Okay. Okay, now it's... There we go. Okay, now I'll stop complaining. Okay, so I did that. Does he do probably does an int for or one bit integer for both? Request to start sprinting variables. Let's see. Yeah, he does. Okay, that's fine. Doesn't make it a U property. I wonder why it doesn't do that. That's one of the things I've still never learned. Like, when do you make something a U property? When do you make something a U function? I still have no idea what that. I still have no idea. I'm just gonna say because it's a flag, you don't make it one. No idea. No idea. Okay, he made a multiplier. I will definitely copy this, but I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna add those property specifiers though. Like, I won't do. I definitely won't do any of that. I don't need that, at least for now. I probably should, but no, I'm not a blueprint guy. Just depends on what you're going to use it for. That is a good point, I think. Don't know. He overrode a bunch of methods. I do remember these. These are the ones I remember. I remember these methods. F network. No, you're right, affix. And I know there's like some memory. There's some garbage collection stuff related to it as well. That is for sure. Affix, are you a fast typer? I don't know if I've ever played you in Type Racer before. First, what I want to do, I want to set this to... Oh, I don't even have a constructor. Okay, let me do that first. Doesn't it default to false? I'll just do it anyway. I don't know. That's true, F. Oh, that's true. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Wait, actually? I don't know if you... Affix, we gotta play then. You might be a worthy opponent. But yeah, I'm not too familiar with JSON, which is funny. I'm saying that even though I technically used it in the tutorial series. It's okay. It's okay, Affix. I'm a little rusty. I don't play as much as I used to. I mean, I used to be the best typer in the world, but nowadays not so much. You don't have to join though if you want to. But I don't know, I'm just bored. And I feel like we could both use a break from working so hard, right? Oh wow, that was quick. All right, let's see. Whew, okay. This is gonna be really tough. What do I get myself into? What? 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 Oh, I almost lost. Nah, but Affix, you are a very worthy opponent. That was close. You were trailing me behind. I thought I almost threw at the end. That was no, that was good. That was good. All right, good race, good race. We're gonna go back to work, but we both earned that break. That was a valiant race. Yeah, I used to be like way better at this too, but yeah, I definitely don't type as much. But good race, good race, great race. I mean, did I not define the constructor? I probably didn't copy it over. Oh yeah, probably not. Thank you, Affix. You're good too, man. You're good too. I'm not definitely not underestimating you, good sir. Okay, constructor. Okay, so I'm just gonna make it. I don't know, like. I'll make it 5. I'll make it like something ridiculous so I can notice the sprinting. Does he initialize that variable? He doesn't initialize this. I'm pretty sure by default this is like false anyway, but I'll initialize it anyway. Okay, let me just... I actually technically don't even need this because I'm pretty sure all the start sprinting method does, as well as the stop sprinting method does. All they do is, yeah, they just do that. I don't need that then. Because I'll be able to access them directly because he made everything public, and I'll actually maybe I'll make it a U property actually. I just don't. I'll make things public first. That's number 1. I'm like a minute behind. Yeah, I think so. What I've kind of learned is I think Twitch might be faster than YouTube. That's 1. And 2, I've noticed with the restream, I'm pretty sure when you stream on multiple platforms, my lag's worse. Like my chat lag. I don't think it's you, Affix, or I don't think it's the viewers. I think it's me. Like on my end, my restream chat is so slow. Because I'm technically streaming on both right now, but I wish we had like a balanced mix though, like Twitch and YouTube followers. Like right now, I'm only talking the YouTube chat, and I'm using the restream chat, so it makes it even slower. This is why I need a 3rd monitor. I just need 2 monitors for chat, 1 monitor for working. Such a waste, but it would be really, really funny though. But I can just make it public. I don't think it's that big of a deal, honestly. I think getters and setters are sometimes kind of redundant, to be honest. And that's literally what the start and stop sprinting functions were from the gas documentation project. Literally just getters and setters. Okay, so I'm gonna follow basically the same order he did. There's like, wait, no, there's definitely a shortcut or something for this. Hold on. There's definitely a shortcut for like just making these methods. I'm gonna comment all of this stuff actually. Like you were doing the race still and I was already done. That's crazy. Call in perform. Call in perform movement function and character moves. Used by the clients and server to decrypt and read flags from save move. Override network prediction data client class got a comment. All good, Affix. Have a good one. Thanks for tuning in. Override F network prediction data Cline class that is used to wrap save move that is sent to the server. Wait, does it send to other clients as well? Let me look at that. I forget if like the saved move or network data client struct gets sent to. Okay, I think it's something else then. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's sent to the server. Used for save moves to be sent to the server. That indicates sprinting. How much speed will change by, increase by when sprinting. This is the constructor. I feel like that's kind of, indicative. He has the same here. He's already got comments here. Typedef super. Super is needed to override the super. Override references to super from U character movement component to this class's superclass. I need that here too. Okay, I literally understand this at least. Okay, I think that's, so this, he does that. Why is this, so why is this red? Oh, because I need to return something. I'm just gonna copy what he does. Make it simple. So he does all of this. I definitely need flop night character. No. Okay, I don't have that. Let's search sprinting. Yes. I'm gonna make this a U property. Just because I'm not sure right now. I don't know to be. I'll get rid of it because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, why is it still red? I don't need this log owner, I guess. Super get max speed. Okay, that's fine. I don't have that. I definitely have this. No, I don't. Yeah, so he doesn't even use attack for sprinting. I feel like that's very interesting. And he has get move speed. Where's get move speed coming from? Or is that just a class or a method? Get move speed? What is get move speed? Get move speed? That might be built into the A character class. No? That's why we look at it. Oh, I forgot. F12. He does get move speed. F12 again. Attribute set base. Attribute set base. Okay. Where's get move speed? Oh, it's probably like, I see, attribute. He's using attributes accessor, so I'll probably like make a automatic one. Uses macros from attribute set.h. Yeah, so he's got the getter, setter, property getter, and a knitter. I might have to look up what all these mean. Actually, I'm curious, and I'll just first off, definitely doing that. Definitely pinning this because that's important. What is? I don't even understand. I get this operator. Am I streaming on? No, I am streaming on Twitch. I was like, what? Okay, this is helpful. This is actually really helpful. This comment. These comments are literally like the best documentation ever. Like, I don't even think that's an understatement. Yo, what the heck? 4 people watching, anyone here? Or you guys just sitting ducks? I feel like we got some sitting ducks here. That's okay. Sitting ducks is okay. Sitting ducks is okay if you turn off ad block temporarily for the stream, though. Sitting ducks. Got some sitting ducks. Okay, let's get back to it. Oh, nope. Okay, so gameplay. So this defines a set of helper functions for accessing initialized attributes to avoid having to manually write this function. So what he's saying is you don't have to write get health, set health, or init health if you just do all this stuff. That's really helpful, actually. I don't know what init is. What's the difference between this and setting? Okay. It's okay with me, I guess. Yeah, I don't have get move speed. Call it like walking speed or whatever. It's not long, I guess it's move speed. Alright, attribute set. Good thing I made this. So let's actually refresh myself about attribute sets real quickly, because I want to be able to know what it is in depth, I guess you could say. I was gonna say. Yeah, attribute set. Okay. Yeah, let me look up what an attribute set is. I might even look at it in Tranix docs as well. Oh, whoa, Kai, how you doing? Good morning. Good morning, Kai. Good morning. I'm good. Just working on custom movement components, our character movement component stuff. Moved a bunch of stuff to my class from his project, and now I'm working on making an attribute. So attribute sets. Just gotta refresh myself because again I'm like, and even before I look at this, I might even literally just write more comments real quick. So like, I'm literally just gonna write like on the owning actor attribute set. This guy. Thank you, Kai. I appreciate that. Let's just do like binds ability or binds client input to. Have you read it? There's some dev comments. Absolutely, Kai. Dude, the comments are literally the best. There's so much good documentation in these classes. It's actually nuts. But anyway, oh, actually, Kai, maybe I could ask you this. What's the difference between setters and emitters? Like, I have no idea, to be honest. Binds client input to ability system component abilities, I guess. ASC input bound, that's self-explanatory. On the server, binds are really just adds abilities, I guess. Okay. Yeah, I just want to comment this stuff because again, I'm gonna forget it, so I need to comment this stuff. Otherwise, I'm gonna go crazy. Possessed by on player state. So called on the server. This is where abilities are added. And then called on the client peak. This is where ability system component is set, because by this point ASC will have been initialized. And then that's the ability system component. This is the avatar actor. Okay, I got enough comments for that, probably. maybe this guy. Do I have anything to comment on? Yeah, I don't know. Abilities. Not sure what to say for that one. Sorry about that. Okay. I just want to look at one thing. Look at some old code. So add character abilities. What did I do in there? Yeah, give ability. What was this? I always forget this. Oh boy. Okay. Okay, here it is. I'm trying to just read over old code. I know this just makes me feel like an old man. So it takes the ability class, level. I don't know what level is. I guess 1 it is. Input ID. Okay, that's good enough for me. Oh, okay. Let's look at that again. I mean, it seems like the setter only sets the base, whereas the knitter sets both. I have no idea, to be honest. This is so confusing to me. I probably will only use set. Why don't we just Google it, honestly? Setter versus a knitter. New engine. I probably won't find anything. It's a emitter. It's what if I just do setter versus emitter? What do I get? Whatever. Not. Oh, what the heck was that? That wasn't inappropriate, right? Do I have to end this stream now? Am I gonna get banned for that? Hold on. What was that? I'm gonna Google that again. I don't think that was bad. I don't think I'm gonna get banned for that. Yeah, it's dogs. Okay. What was that? Hold on. I'm gonna look at this off screen. Okay. That looked bad though. Okay. This is what happens when I try to explore too much. Okay. Anyway. Going back to gameplay attributes. Actors that interact with the gameplay ability system will generally need a set of numerical properties that the system can access and modify to affect game logic and keep track of what has happened in the game. Yes, that makes sense. These properties are known as gameplay attributes, and they are modified by gameplay effects. Yes. Wait, so is the action RPG project, that's what... I think that's what, that's this, right? I think what Affix sent me before. I'll look at that project too, though. Okay. Yeah, I'll look at that later. A gameplay attribute contains any numerical measurement. I'm not just by fully Okay. I mean, that's pretty simple to me. Okay. Owning actor. So in this case, who's the owning actor? It should be the player state. Let me just make sure that's what he does. Character base. Or no, I should look at the header files. This is character base. Oh, okay. So he has a pointer. Yeah, that makes sense. A pointer, a weak pointer. I still don't know why I use weak pointers. I'm probably gonna use a hard one from preference. So then, okay, and he has a hard pointer here. I mean, I think he said in here you can have hard pointer anyway. Okay. Quick bathroom break. And water refill break. No one leave. I'm not watching you. So 3 people watching. Who's the other 2? Kai, that's a great question. I think they're just sitting ducks. And I'm praying these sitting ducks have ad block off because that would be amazing. Not gonna lie. Low key. Okay, get move speed. I don't know why I have this searched in the results here. Okay, so yeah, I'll have a reference to each of them. That's not an issue. Let me look at his attribute set though. So he uses the macros. Wait. Okay, I got it. So yeah, copy this like this guy says. my attribute set. Wait, do I do it? Where do I do it? I do it up here, right? Okay. I think the weekend streams are gonna do well. But I'm trying to like get myself to like actually work on this. I'm gonna see how long I can stream every day until I go insane. Probably won't work out too well if I'm gonna be honest with you, but we're gonna give it a shot. Gotta give it a shot, you know. Chair's like freaking out right now. Oh, we got someone else here. Newcomer, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Appreciate you joining. All right, we got the getters and setters, so let's actually start defining some properties. So he has a constructor. I'll definitely copy that over. Okay, actually, I can just type that one out. Wait, so let me figure out. There's got to be a short same time like today. Yeah, Kai, I think that's probably gonna be around like these streams are probably gonna start around like 8:30, maybe like 9 every night. I tried to do them earlier, but I just couldn't do it. Like I wanted to do it like at 5 on the dot, like right after a working day, but I found myself too tired. Like it's after a working day, I think I found that it's good to just chill out and not do anything for a little bit, at least a little bit of time, not do anything. I've also thought about like streaming like super early in the morning, but like super early. Like I'm talking like waking up at like 4 or 5 a.m. But I wonder if that would actually work. Because I feel like that might. I feel like that's an underrated time. I think actually a lot of people are awake at that time, but I could be very wrong about that. I might have to be a little crazy to do that, but okay. He uses replicate using onrep health. So this is a function. Let's look at his attribute set base C++ class. Attribute set C++. Attribute set C++. Okay, he's got tags. Where's his onreps though? Ah, there's the onrep. Oh, it's just a rep notify though. Okay. I mean, is that? Oh, hey, Affix. I thought you were. Welcome. I'm glad to see you back, Affix. You and Kai are always glad to have you guys. So he uses gameplay attribute rep notify. This is I believe also coming from wherever. The onrep function exists to make sure that the ability system internal representations are synchronized properly during replication. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Oh, piano. Their functions for help on the bottom. Helper function is probably just the value of an attribute associated max attribute. That's cool, Affix. I didn't know you knew how to play piano. I used to play. I was pretty bad though. Fortunately. Okay. Interesting. Okay. I know what onrep notifies are. Basically, if they change, if an attribute changes, then this onrep function will be called kind of like onrep player state. Interesting. I thought they were kind of just. Okay, rep notify always. I always forget like there's so many options to do rep left do rep lifetime condition notify. Oh my goodness. Yeah, all of these. I think usually I used to do rep. What did I used to do in Fortnite Clone? Let's revisit time once again. We'll go back to the old days, you know, of GitHubs and the Fortnite clones and the crazy stuff, you know. Rep notify always makes things rep all the time. So then what did I use originally? I don't think I used. Yeah, I just used plain do rep lifetime back then, back in the good old days. I don't even know what that means though. Wait, so you're saying rep notify always? Oh, okay. I get that. I get what you're saying. Affix. I get what you're saying. Okay, that's this. Always call the properties rep notify function when it's received from the server. Interesting. Just because I'm curious, what does do rep left time notify? I just want to make sure. I haven't looked at this in a while, so that's why I want to look at it. I don't even know why am I even looking at this right now? I guess I'm just looking at the attribute set base. Yeah, because I noticed like the on rep like right away. I noticed replicate using. I saw that. And he has the attribute accessors. Got that. Okay, once property is registered for replication, you can't unregister it. Conditional properties. That's a built-in condition, as they don't replicate if they haven't changed. Okay, so that's what do rep lifetime. That's what that means. So before in Fortnite Clone, literally. Because I did not pass anything to it. So by default, if they don't replicate, if they haven't changed, to give you more control over how a condition replicates, there is a special macro that allows you to add a secondary condition. So that's the rep condition. So is that what I do here, or that what he do here? He does do rep lifetime condition notify. Okay, so I'll keep going. The condensed simulate only flag that was passed in the condition macro will cause an extra check to be performed even before considering this property for replication. In this case, it will only replicate to clients that have a simulating copy of this actor. One of the big benefits of this is that it saves bandwidth, since we've determined that client that client that has the autonomous proxy version of this actor doesn't need to know about this property. This client is setting the property directly for direct prediction purposes, for example. Another benefit is that for the client not receiving this property, the server won't step on this client's local copy. Okay, I'm definitely very confused, but... Okay, so before, now I know why I did do rep lifetime plain, because I only cared about the attribute, or I only cared about properties replicating when their value changed, but now I guess he's doing something different. So condition, I got this part. In this case, it will only replicate to clients that have a simulating copy of this actor, but then wait, simulate only. But then he's saying, oh, okay. Okay, I understand it now. I thought I got autonomous confused with, um, yeah, I got autonomous confused with simulated. I forgot. Okay, got confused. Okay, does autonomous include then the? No, that's authoritative. So then that's not counting that either, I guess. Okay, I got that. I got that. Okay, I got that. I get that. I got that. Here's a glance at the list of conditions currently supported. Okay, so in this case, he likes to use condition none. Okay, so it'll replicate to what, like to everyone, I guess. In that case, I don't see it here, but that's kind of what I'm assuming. Let me just. This property has no condition. It'll send anytime it changes. Okay. And that makes sense. So far, we've talked about conditions that are based off of state that is already known. This makes it easy for the engine to make the necessary optimizations while still giving you enough control over property replication. But what if this isn't enough control? There's one more thing to talk about on this subject. There's a macro called doRep lifetime active override, which gives you full control over when a property does not replicate using any custom condition you want. One caveat is that this is per actor, not per connection. Okay, this did not go over. All right, let me look at. I know you mentioned this already, FX, but I just want to look at it. Okay. I guess I understand basically if the value doesn't change, you'll still call the rep notify function. That's kind of what I'm gathering at. Yeah, okay. Yep, you said that, FX. Sorry about that. Took me a while, but I get that. I don't really understand why you would want to change or call the rep notify every time. I guess the value is received. Yeah, I want to know his reasoning behind this, but I feel like it's slower, but I don't know why. I feel like I don't know why it doesn't just do a do rep lifetime plain then. I don't get the condition because the condition is always. Well, I guess actually no. By default, if you use plain do rep lifetime, I believe the default would be the other one, which is unchanged. I mean, you know what it might be? I guess he's using these for client side prediction. That makes sense. He might go over it in his docs. Now additionally takes in the old attribute. It must apply as the honor print. Okay. I see. Prediction. Gotcha. 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 Okay. That's all I need to know. Thank you. Appreciate that. I appreciate you. I appreciate that. Speed. He did move speed. I'll do that. Just copying all of his stuff because I'm too lazy. Looks so weird. Actually, now I'm curious. I'll look at something real quick in a bit. I don't need blueprint read only. I don't need categories. I just need that. On ramp move speed. I definitely need that function. And that. Let's his function. He made them protected. I guess I'll follow that. Whew. Did he make these public, these variables? He did. Interesting. He makes a lot of things public, actually. Very surprised. Ooh, affix. We're getting into dangerous territory, starting up a war between Unity and Unreal. I'm kidding, though. I haven't gone to tags yet, but it's good to hear. I mean, to be fair, not to hate on Unity, but I don't know why. Unreal, there's just something nice about it. I like that rough feel of an engine. This is going to sound stupid, but Unity is it's neat and clean, but I don't like that. I like a rough diamond, you know? Because when you chisel that stone off of it, the dirt off of it, you get a shiny diamond. That was the stupidest thing I've literally ever said in my life, but it sounded good in my head, so. That sounds so stupid, but I can show you some delegates for it. Oh, baby. All right. Appreciate it, guys. Yeah, I don't know if we'll use it for sprinting, though, but I guess we'll see. We'll see in a bit. We will see. We will see. Virtual. Does it have to be virtual? What is virtual again? You can also block input with them. I do remember reading that. Wait, hold on. Need to look up virtual. Because I forgot. Oh, yes. Virtual function specifier. Please save me. Non-static member function. Okay. Member functions. I always forget that because I come from a Java background, so I'm like, whenever I see the virtual keyword, like I think it's something special, but it's really not. And it can be overridden. In this case, then I probably don't need it. Because he has an attribute set base. I don't... For now, I'm not going to use a base class. does he? Yeah, I was looking for this bad boy. Bad boy. I'm going crazy right now. He made this public as well. Okay, I gotta stop. I gotta get off this on my other monitor because I'm super afraid. Like Nintendo's really strict with like DMCA and copyright, so you never know. That little Nintendo logo. Sometimes it's all it takes. Coming in late. Oh, you're good, Talis. You're good. Nothing much is going on. Good to see ya. So just for people watching, Talus is on Twitch, Affix and Kai are on YouTube. But we're good. We're working on the character movement component. Hopefully by the end of the night or stream we get the sprint ability done. I think the character movement component's done. We are now on the attribute set because apparently in the gas documentation project the move speed is a attribute, so that's what we're working on right now. Yes, affix, you're completely right. The virtual keyword means that a function can be overridden. He does that in his class because again, he made a base class. Affix is dropping that knowledge right now. That's very true. If you add final to the end, it can't be overridden by any more children. That's very true. I think in the newer versions of C++, I could be wrong about this, but I believe the virtual keyword isn't required. I could be wrong about that though. And also, I know Unreal Engine still uses like C. It doesn't use the latest C++, which is 17, and I don't think it'll use C. Or maybe it does. Definitely doesn't use C++ 20 though. Definitely doesn't use C++ 20. Okay. Anyway, moving on. But yeah, I'm not gonna make it virtual. I feel like I have a bunch of methods here. Alright, let's go to the constructor. So what does he do in his constructor? He does a lot of things, I believe. Oh wait, I didn't copy that method. The rep application. He made it a public method? He did. Okay. Affix, same here, man. Affix, quick quiz for you, since you seem to be the C++ guy. What does the const keyword mean after a function definition? I think you know this, but random question, and of course anyone can answer it. Just to get your guys' mind thinking. Get the juices pumping, you know. I want to claim that title. Talus, you can also be the C++ guy. Everyone is a C++ guy in Flopram. He only defines tags. Okay, then I'll just make a blank. I'll just make a blank constructor then. Sweating. Yes, Talus is right, and Affix is right. Yep, you guys are both right. Function won't change any class variable within it. Function cannot modify class member variables. And Affix did add good for setters. You guys both get 1 gold coin. It can be spent at the Flopram merch store. Honestly, that might not be a bad idea. Just like send out like codes for like answering questions for the merch. I mean, to be quite honest, if you guys really want merch and like thought it was too expensive, we could literally just give you guys codes. Like We could give you codes to the point where like we would literally make like zero profit. So, just because honestly, like it doesn't hurt us, right? Like if we make zero profit, we make zero profit. So I think though Teespring is obviously their company, so like they do limit like the amount of discount you can give on the merch. So like otherwise they're gonna take the losses or we'll have to pay for them, but they don't even give the option to do that. So bruh, I legit forgot what Khan says. Kai, it's okay. I forget. Guys, I'm like Joe Biden, okay? I forget like everything the next day. All right, blank constructor. Yes, definitely need this guy. So UF an attribute set. I need like everything though. This is a void, right? Yeah, it's definitely a void. Okay, so he definitely calls the super classes one. I do remember that. In school, my goal was to build an engine, so I went deep into learning C++ and that kind of thing. Talis, I like hearing that. Talking my kind of language. That's dope, though. Our moderator in our Discord named Beast, he's actually doing that right now. He's working on an engine with C++. Do you know where Tranic controls aim down sight in the docks? There must be some function running on tick in the CMC, but I'm not sure which one runs on ticks. He also just sets a bool on the function. Oh wait, got it. He changes the target arm length. Oh, okay. You're asking like how the actual aim down sight is like done. Okay, I understand. Because I didn't get that far. I obviously saw that function in the CMC, the character movement component, about aim down sight, but that was obviously just changing like variables, like state variables, kind of. Obviously, I didn't like see how he did the actual aim down sight. Okay, so we called this. I don't know why this is red. All right, let's see what he did here. Oh, I forgot the const. Whoop. Okay. No problem, Affix, no problem. Restream.io said, congratulations, you've received 100 messages today with Restream chat. And I can even tweet about it. Does anyone do that? I don't want to do I mean, that'd be funny though. Okay. Do rep lifetime condition notify. That's what he does. Okay. I guess it's not really. I guess the key here isn't really the condition. Obviously, it's really the rep notify always. So I kind of understand. And this guy. I hate how this is always red. Why is it not red in his? Wait, he definitely imports a class. Yes, okay. It's probably this one. I definitely need that one. But, like, why is this red? Okay, there's that one. Got it. And then he has his nice onRep notify function for this. I'm literally just going to copy his moves, or I can't find it. It's not in alphabetical order. You should get Visual Assistant Writer. Yes, Affix, you're right. People keep telling me, I keep forgetting. The reason why I forget is I leave my computer on all the time, so believe it or not, after this stream, I'm just going to forget. I'm going to leave the project open because it was left open from last night and the night before. And I'm just going to forget, but I need to do it. I definitely need to, honestly. Yes, Talis, yes. Always. I might actually get into one of them. I'm thinking about it. I don't know. I'm a weirdo. Why is this? This is another No, this is red because of this. I don't know about Rider, but VA is awesome. I barely used it once and I liked it. Yeah, fix. I just realized that too. It probably won't work with 4.25. That's true, Talus. That's true. It's a one-way street. Once I start using one of these Visual Assist Writer, I don't even think twice. The wallet just flies out of the wallet or flies out of the pocket. It just starts moving on its own and then pays. Don't use IntelliSense with VS Studio. Oh, both work with 4.25? That's good to hear, Talus. Don't use IntelliSense with V Studio and use V Assist at the end. Yeah, that might be... I might end up doing that. Because I do like Visual Studio too. I like all these IDEs. Why is this red? It's probably another, like, thing. Yeah. That's normal. Why is this in his... Usually you don't put includes in your header files because usually when you follow include what you use principle, you don't do that. You usually put in your C++ classes. Oh wait, no, that was there. I was looking at like this one. I don't know why I put in there. I don't know why it's red. I'm going to compile this. This is a helper macro that can be used in rep notify functions to handle attributes that will be predictively modified by clients. Don't understand that. Yeah, I don't understand it at all. I don't know. The Cherno did a video on it. I mean, Writer is free, so your wallet would stay for all. That's true, Talus. I do have the free version. It's true. The Cherno did a video on Visual Assist yesterday, and it confirmed my hatred on IntelliSense. Yeah, I mean, dude, we're literally... I love how you say that, Kai, because it's ironic, because literally this is a reason why I hate IntelliSense, because this build will probably succeed. But as a professional, I tell you, it's really worth the money. It's a lifesaver. IntelliSense is so bad in so many ways, and Visual Assist makes parsing so much faster. How much does Visual Assist cost? I'm just curious. Oh. What? Wait. Well, let me try again. That might have been a glitch. Let's do a Visual Assist. It's red because IntelliSense is dumb. Haha. That's funny. It's very funny, Talus. I tried VA Assist last night. It's so much better. What is this error? It's probably this. Let me look at his function. Well, that's so loud. Apologize for that. What if I just... Wait, did I misspell it? Oh, I know why. I'm an idiot. That's what happens when you copy and paste everything. We should be individually named the Talus principles. I like that affix. I like that. Okay, as I was looking before, though, Visual Assist. Oh my goodness, $280. What about Writer? I don't think Writer was that expensive. Writer University. The $349. I guess the personal's 140 though, but that's a year. That's a first year. Oh, that's for company. 140 for, so is that per year? Wait, what is this then? Wait, let me look up Writer Unreal Engine because it's like different, right? Yeah, let's look at this. I guess the cost of this, I guess we don't know the cost because it's in preview. 129 personal. Bro, that's a dumb university name. Oh my goodness, Kai hating on the Writer University But it's okay. I don't know that school either, so I will agree with that statement. You'll just not get updates after. Oh, okay. But 129, that might not be that bad. Ooh, I like this pricing model though. I like that. 139 first year and the price goes down. Oh my, you're right, Talus. You're right. You're right. No, we're gonna do that again. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. I forgot about the middle mouse button. My bad. Tell us my bad. That's a good pricing model though. So then let me visual assist. I almost dragged it, dude. It's too instinctually. You know why I'm so used to it doing that? Because at work, I use a laptop and I don't use a mouse. I use the trackpad. So there's no middle mouse button on a trackpad. Oh, I gotta break out of that habit. Oh, I'm definitely. Oh, that's a good trick. That's a really good trick. I don't know if I remember that. Control Shift Tab and Control Tab to move tabs. Control W to close a tab. Oh man, Taz, I'm not gonna. This is amazing, but I'm not gonna remember this. But it's okay. Personal 120 or 130. That's not bad. That's not bad either, though. That's not bad. Okay, I'll think about this. Think about Kai for work, Kai. I use it for work. Like when I say work, I mean my daytime job, company work, I guess, enterprise, whatever call it. Oh, I didn't use the. Did I use Control W that time? Oh my goodness, this is terrible. You guys are teaching me so much stuff. I'm just gonna forget it. Control Shift T is reopen close. Ooh. Oh my god, you guys are OP. I'm not gonna remember any of these. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, but we're gonna start slow. We're gonna just try to remember middle mouse button. That's the key. All right, let's keep going. Why is this not working? I'm missing an include. I know that 100%. Let's look at his. He has character base. I don't need that. Gameplay effect. It's a base. I have that. Let me just make sure it's not this. I'm just gonna get rid of that. Also, I want to check this out again. Control Shift T. Control Shift T. I'm lazy with Control Shift T. I usually go to hit the history thing and then recently closed and then boom. Oh, okay, so it wasn't that one. Find field check. I'm just looking at the source code for gameplay attribute rep notify. I'm just really curious. I just want to know what it does. Yeah, to me, it just seems like a simple setter to me. I don't really understand like why is this so special? Okay, I mean if it's used for client prediction, it's used for client prediction. That error usually means you added u prior to a variable that doesn't support it. Oh, that might be true. Oh, what's this? Is that an error? It might be this. I'm probably missing a for declaration. No. Probably missing. Is it supposed to be? No. I need this. I doubt it. We'll try it. Just found out. Affix. Just found out that playing a montage and waiting for no particular event will just play the montage and activate the rest after the montage finished. That makes sense. Yeah, I guess because there's nothing to stop it. I think. Probably don't understand you because I'm bad. I might need to restart, I think. Visual Studio. Let's try that. Why not? I haven't restarted this project in a while. It's probably not that, but let's... Why not? Oh. Whoop. That was my resume there. Not open, though. How's everyone doing? I feel like I already asked you guys, and you guys asked me. Never mind. You guys are doing well. You guys are doing so well. And I think I've said this like also 1,000 times, but I also probably told you guys to temporarily disable ad block, refresh the page, maybe pray to God you get one ad, and then just re-enable ad block. But helps the channel. But I think I've already butchered that to death. So no need to do that. Platform ARM64 reference in the project file cannot be found. Okay. Time for good old generate project. Ooh, I didn't do that. Ugh. Nah, let's see if it works anyway. Forgot that guy. Ah, same thing. Alright, we're gonna do it again. Probably wasn't that then. Okay. Okay. I'm actually gonna look up gameplay tags since you guys brought that up. Gameplay tags. Can be used to identify, categorize, match, and filter objects. Okay, conceptual hierarchical labels with user-defined names. These tags can have any number of hierarchical levels. I think I've seen this in the documentation project. Actually, I was literally just looking at them. Yes. He has them for his abilities. Well, not just his ability. He has it for actually like a lot of stuff, even his state. Very, very interesting. Okay. Yeah, we'll see if I use them. I feel like, I don't know, I need to learn more about it. I feel like it's more used for blueprints though, but... maybe not. Honestly, it doesn't seem like... It could... Actually, I take that back. Definitely can be used in both. I know it sounded weird that I said that without really reading through stuff, but I just saw from the queries, I was like, okay, I can see how this is useful. Close order, except for has all, except. Okay. I don't know when I would use it though, but. I guess specifically the queries. Alright, let's see if we get the same error. I think we are going to get the same error. Maybe I'm missing something. Maybe I forgot. I probably have to overwrite some functions. I don't know if attribute says an abstract class or not. Or an interface. Man, I code with Java all the time. I just feel like it's weird because I'm probably like getting things really wrong. Oh wait, no, F12, F12, F12. Okay. I know I'm tired. It's late. Well, I'm not really that tired. I don't know. I'm a weird guy. Okay. Okay. I'm kind of confused why this is breaking. I think it might have to do with this, so I'm gonna comment that out, see if that works. I mean, it could be this, one of these. On rep move speed, on rep move speed. Okay. No, it's not that. So what if I just comment all of this? One shortcut I knew, Control Shift slash. Void call func. I love this so much. That's so I mean, I love it too. For Talus, just this is what Affix posted in the YouTube chat. It's basically a function that takes in a function pointer and then that takes in an integer and then you call that function using the function pointer. C++ thing. I do like that. Yes, Kai, we are. That's what we're doing, baby. We're gonna get rid of it. Come on again. Still remember, I only learned Java to make Minecraft Clone. Oh, classic. I used to be addicted to Minecraft. I wish Legit was watching right now. He'll tell you all about it. We used to play that faction servers. I have no. There's literally no chance you guys were on this server, but we were addicted to. We played on a lot of faction servers, but the big one, the biggest first one we played on was Faction MC, and we ruled that server. I agree, Talos. Function pointers are indeed fun. But yeah, Faction MC. Highly doubt you guys played on that, but that was the greatest server ever. No problem, Affix. Thank you for dropping by as usual. Appreciate it. I'm so close to finishing this as well. Thank you, Affix. I think we'll definitely finish it. It's going to take a bit, so if you guys want to drop whenever. But yeah, my computer... I definitely need to upgrade at one. You know what I should do? I should do PC upgrade at like 10k subs or something, because I want to be able to like build like this building should be faster while I stream. Okay, we got an error. Okay. It was the character movement component class. Okay, I don't know why it didn't tell me that. Oh, because I... Okay, okay. I understand. Bro, I'm God when playing LBSG. What is called LBSG again? I forgot that acronym. For Minecraft, LBSG... It was a server, right? Okay, Lifeboat Network. Oh, I remember this. Oh, Lifeboat Survival Games. Oh, yeah, I played Lifeboat Survival Games. That was the thing. Always get the most kills and get called hacker. Well, kind of unfortunately that is the case. I was not gonna lie, pretty garbage at Hunger Games. Survival games. Hunger Games, survival games? I guess they're the same. Okay, yeah, Alright, I'm just gonna do that. For this, yeah, I'll keep that one. This is I think like a macro for the function. Oh, I gotta start using this baby more. I keep forgetting about survival games is the battle royale before battle royale. Yes, Kai, I've been saying that for years. It's so true. So true. So true. Okay. Okay, we need a dummy. I don't even know. 1.f, 1.0. I don't know what's the preference. 1.0f, 1.0. Just 1.0. Bah, bah. Got 7 people watching. Surprised. 2 on Twitch, 5 on YouTube. Hello to everyone. Don't be shy to talk, but if you are too shy to talk, then just turn off that ad block and refresh the page. Get owner. Illegal call of non-static member function. There's a shortcut you can enable to replace the control 12. Control left click. I don't think Talus for me, I don't think it is control F12. I think it's literally just F12 for me. So I think that's good. I think one button press is good. Request to start. So we got owner. So it doesn't like get owner. Yes, correct, Kai. That's absolutely 100% correct about get move speed. I'm just trying to debug the character movement component right now. It has, yeah, I think so. I think you're right, Kai. I probably didn't implement get owner. I'm gonna look now as character movement component. Did he have a get owner function? Let me look at his get owner. Hold control left click. Oh, I get what you're saying, Talus. You're talking about like the other options. You're talking about go to declaration. You're saying, okay, shortcut, you can enable to replace a control F12, go to tools. I kind of like control F12 though, Talus. I don't know. I'm gonna politely decline that piece of advice for now because honestly, even if I do that shortcut, like change modification, I'll probably forget anyway, to be honest. And plus, I only use F12 anyway. I should use Shift F12, but I still find myself using final right-clicking and doing final references. Doesn't replace. It's just an addition. I see. We'll see. We'll see, Talus. We'll see. I guess I just don't use it often enough. I don't use go to declaration. Oh, okay. I get you, Talus. Okay. Yeah, that is weird that I program in Java and don't use that. That is, I think I'm just so used to F12 at this point. Because, like, the weird thing with F12, like, if I use it here, it goes back. You can go back and forth between it. I don't know how any of this stuff works, though. But yeah, anyway, back to you, Kai, real quick. NetBeans. I don't use either. I use IntelliJ now. Because the personal edition's free, thank goodness. I used to use Eclipse and NetBeans. I used to use Eclipse for Android development. Before that, there's no point of using that anymore. And then NetBeans, I don't even know why I use NetBeans. I think that was just what I used to learn Java at the time. But yeah, why can't I call get owner? Okay. Oh, I'm probably missing. He has a thing, I think. No, what is he? Oh, wait. I think I understand. It's because this. I forget the const. I forgot the const. I was the one who even made a joke about the quiz. Or I made the quiz. Or wait, I don't know if that's true. Do I need the const there? Let's run that. I'm crazy. My goodness. I probably do need it for the clear function as well. Yeah, see, now it's gone. Yeah, I probably did need it. This one, why is this one not reading? Oh, I literally just didn't... I never finished the... I just realized I never finished the character movement component. Sorry about that, guys. This function I do remember, though, very well. I actually wrote a comment about it. This function right here is for... This function is for depacking the save move when it gets received by the server and the clients. NetBeans and Eclipse. Talus, what's your IDE of choice, good sir, Mr. Talus? And if you want, Kai, you can of course always answer that as well. I'll keep that comment there. Okay, we got that one. I didn't do any of these. Okay, and the last one's this one. This is a const. Me looking at this, just Control A. What's Control A? Oh, is that the shortcut to make like functions, Kai? What is Control A? Man, this is why I need to learn new shortcuts. I'm just... no. What is Control A? I use Visual Studio Code for Java and Visual Studio for C++. Nice, nice. We like that. Visual Studio, baby. Control A just selects all for me. Copy all. Oh, yeah, Kai, I forgot to tell you. It was in another stream. I don't like copying everything at once. I like copying things one at a time and then, like, going over it in my head so I remember what it does. All that stupid stuff, you know, all the classics. It's like just to better understand it. During my day job writer, this is Mr. Talus. During my day job writer, because Visual Assist plugin freezes Visual Studio when I'm using the Perforce plugin. Perforce, very nice, very nice. At home, I like Visual Studio with Visual Assist since I don't use Perforce for personal source control. That's really cool. Okay, this one, I believe what he does. I think he just returns. Oh yeah, I remember. This is where I left off last stream. I didn't know why I did this. For now, I'm just gonna copy it and worry about it later. No. Yeah, I'll worry about this later, but I do remember this. I don't know why he makes an immutable this though. That was the one thing I was wondering. I'm just gonna make a to do here. That'll be later because we gotta finish this. I understand this check line. We're building them. The only thing that when working from home, we're working from home, so my PC has both installed. Yeah, unfortunately at my company, I would love to work on my personal PC, but Unfortunately, all the security stuff restricts me to using my work laptop, which is a Mac. Gasp. I know. Just says some blasphemy right there, but it's true. The only thing that makes me never use source control is my shitty internet speed. God, I'm sorry to hear that. I remember a while ago on a past stream you told me your internet speed. I felt bad because I was complaining about my internet speed. But it's okay, Kai, because I also used to have bad internet, and I somehow survived. Okay, now I'm done with the character movement component. Is it true in most companies the PC is bad? Good question, Kai. So at my company, there's a mix. Like a lot of people, most people have laptops split between like MacBooks and like, your classic whatever Windows laptop. There's very few, like I've seen like some Ubuntu's. Those are usually good. Like my MacBook, I'm not gonna lie, it's okay. It gets the job done. But if you're talking about like the workstations or whatever, the desktops, those big blocks, big machines, yeah, those are at my company at least. Not that many people have them, but they're definitely not that good. I'm gonna be quite honest with you. Some nice old Dell bricks. My dad, when he worked, he had this crappy Lenovo ThinkPad with the red button. I mean, I think those even the newer ones still have it, but I still remember it was such a bad laptop. Tell him/her to use Perforce. He/she can set up a private server at home and won't have to worry about internet. I think that's Talos trying to communicate with Kai, and I'm the messenger through Restream. The company I work for gave us the best possible PC because we work. Ooh, that's right, Talos. I forgot you're working with that VR. That's true. You do need that. You need that strong PC to work with VR. My previous company had pretty good PCs too, and a mini Mac. And since, oh, I'm so jealous, Talos. You make me jealous, dude. Mac Mini. I want a Mac Mini. It's such like a. It's just a good option if you need a Mac. And you're not really using Mac that often since we develop mobile games. That's cool, Talos. That's cool. Okay. Now I can uncomment this. I can probably uncomment this too. Okay. I think now we're good. Oh, wait. I forgot. Nope. Got it just in time. No, I did it. Wait, what is this? Oh, because I didn't... Okay. For declaration. Wait, use of undefined. Wait, exclaim out. Wait, you ability system. Oh, did I get the parameters wrong? Oh my goodness. No, attribute set and attribute set. I don't understand. Wait. Why is it complaining? Wait, I think no, you know what it is? I probably didn't save in time. Mac Mini are bad. I literally no, but Talos, that's my point. Yeah, it's not good. It's like, but it's cheap though. You know what I mean? It's like just it's good. It gets the job done basically. I don't know, cause like I think what the cheaper option, more cheaper than that, is using like a dual boot setup or like a virtual machine. I feel like it's nice to have the actual hardware. So I don't know. I think that's kind of what I was trying to say. Maybe. Well, also another reason why I like Mac Mini, it's like also like I like how I just like that it's small, like in terms of like computing resources and literally physically, so it's just small. Like, I think it's like, what, like that big? It's like nothing, right? I don't know. I just like that. I don't know. Not sure if it's just small. I don't know. Come on, build. I know I'm streaming, but it's too slow. My PC can't handle this. And also, I do have like probably 2 Unreal Engine projects open to Visual Studios. It's not gonna help. Come on, hurry. We want to get this sprintability done. It's too slow. Too slow. Oh, no, this again. Okay, so it is this. It's one of these. Okay. The company also had some tools to generate the project from C++ to the Xcode project and copy the project changes over. So I did all the program windows and just transferred different files or things like that. That's pretty cool. That's really cool, Mr. Tallis. Okay, what is wrong here? Attribute accessors. Wait. Oh, on-ramp move speed not found. Okay. Really? Really? Wait, is it because it's not... Does it have to be virtual? Is that it? There's no way it's that. I'll try that. Oh, wait. No, I think the... Wait. There's no way that has to be it, but I'll try it anyway. There's no way it's that. For me, I really hope more companies get better PCs because I remember my school goes to this company where I saw a guy waiting for the compiler to finish and I saw the PC like, bro, this is a shit PC. Oh my goodness. That's so sad. Missing U function? Oh my goodness, Talus, you're right. My goodness, you're right. That reminds... I remember in middle school. Was it middle school? It was like the last year of middle school, I think, because we had, or no, it was in high school too. Basically, we had terrible laptops. What? Use of undefined U-ability system component? Why is it doing that? What? Wait, did I? But yeah, Kai, I really didn't. Yeah, school laptops. It was always like an old MacBook, and like these were old, like that. They were from like literally early 2000s. But like when I say early, like literally 2000, 2001, and it was like already 2010. They were so slow. And I think like right after I left school, like they finally got like new Chromebooks, which I guess is a little good of an upgrade, but Chromebooks aren't that good either though. Yes, Talus, you're right. You're right. I wasn't the virtual. Okay, what's the issue here then? Gas. Gas. I'm definitely missing something. I have this. Need to get that Ryzen update. I do. 2. Why is it complaining here? I have this U attribute set. Why is it like this? Did I spell it wrong? No. Very. Do I just need this include statement? I thought I did add it. Okay, that was probably why. Maybe you need... Yes, you're right, Kai. You're right. You guys are right. That's why I love you guys. You guys are OP. Okay. We're moving now, guys. That was it. That was definitely it. I bet money on it. Yes. Okay. I think we're very close. We have the attribute. So now we have to go back to the character and the player state. Let's do player state first. So we need that pointer. Okay, we have it already. Fantastic. I do initialize it here. Okay, perfect. He definitely does stuff in his player state though. Alright, I don't think I need, or actually I don't need this. Well, actually maybe I do later. He has a bunch of stuff. Okay, so whoa. Oh, this has always been happening. Yeah, and then the game just crashes. That always happens. Why is that happening? That worries me because that's been happening like here and there, like with my project ever since I renamed the files, I think. I hope that doesn't cause like game crashes. Actually, I can check the logs. No. Yes. I mean, like, what is this? Engine slash transient.default. Does this just happen? I don't know. Really weird. Wait, do I have a player start? Do I not have a player start in this? Do you use live coding? What's live coding? I do have a player start. What's live coding, Kai? I don't think I use it. Network player start. Okay. Okay. He overrides that, I think. No, he doesn't. I know why he makes that though. He's gonna call it. He's gonna call in the character class most likely. Does he make this protected? No, he makes it public. So interesting. So that one's not overwritten. Live coding is a better version of hot reload. How do I get it? Or how do I guess, use it then? Click on the arrow near the compile button near the engine. Oh, thank you. Alright, live coding cannot be enabled while hot reload modules are active. Please close the editor and build from your IDE before restarting. Okay, I can do that. Let me just code this function then. It doesn't have to be base either. Okay, I already have it. he doing anything else in that? Probably not. And I'll read your guys' messages in a bit. So he definitely has that. This is just some getter functions. He's got fdelegate handle functions. Okay. Okay. So in the what else? The get functions, I guess. Does he have a get move speed? Does it? I just want to know if this gets called. Oh my goodness. Kind of loud there. By kind of loud, I mean really loud. Oh boy, what did I do? Hold on, let me... Oh, you know why? Because it's probably such a common function. That's why. I do like... Oh. Oh my goodness, this is too slow. So does he just not call it then? I mean, that's okay okay for me. Does he call this one? Yes, he does. So he just doesn't call this? Oh, he does. Well, he defines it. He doesn't call it. Okay, then I don't need that. No, I'm not. I don't know. Okay, let me come out of this, and then let me reopen it, and then let me re-enable live coding. Also, though, this is wrong. Nope, 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 nope. Did that work? Let's see. BRB needs a shower. Get that shower, Kai. Get that shower, baby. Anything exciting? What's going on these days? Well, let's look at some current events on Twitter. Oh boy. Oh, hashtag Twitch streamer trending in my state. Okay. Melania tapes. Don't get that. Broncos at Jets. It's a football game. All right, I've announced all the trending topics for me on Twitter. Wow, this is taking forever. Oh, because it's probably getting rid of the hot reload files. Wow, expansion get delayed. They listen. Expansion. I'm sorry, Talus. I didn't know what you meant by that. Expansion get delayed. Like a DLC? But yeah, that's why it took so long. Oh yeah, I like that. I like that, Talus. I like when games take their time. I agree, Talus. That, yeah, and that applies to every game. Rather have... I feel like Call of Duty, if they listen to that model, really just all the games back then, I feel like if they all were like patient. I know Destiny was a huge one too. Or no. No, not Destiny. Call of Duty, I know back in the day. I don't know about now because I don't play it anymore. But that was a game that always rushed their DLCs. And Halo was also a good example. Basically, pretty much every game I used to play back then on console. Oh. I don't know what this is, but I'll just leave it open, I guess. Thank you, guys. I don't know why I'm so, like, entranced by a screen. Alright, moving on to the character, because I know the character needs a reference. Actually, I don't even know. I believe the character needs a reference to the attribute set base. Yeah, it does. Okay, yeah, I'm trying to go in hyperdrive now, because don't want to take too much of your guys' time. Oh, okay. Control Alt F11. Control Alt F11. Control Alt F11. So don't do it through Visual Studio, essentially. Oh, you know what? Probably the name might screw me over here. Okay, was it Control? Oh, whoa! Woohoo! Wait, did I even save my files? I didn't. Crap. Oh, wait. Well, let me try that again, though. I didn't really. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. Thank you, Talus. And I guess Kai, too. This is amazing. So simple, so sleek. I love it. This is like Christmas. It's taking a while, though. But I guess it's always been slow, so I shouldn't really complain that much about it. Oh, the Visual Assist is tempting me, though. Okay, there we go. Oh, fatal error. Oh, boy. What? Oh, did I messed up. Hold on. I gotta... No, that's... I gotta wait. Is it done? Okay. I'm gonna put this here. This is amazing. Now this, I need to remember this. This is amazing. This might be the greatest invention since sliced bread, and I'm not even exaggerating right now. This is amazing. God bless the Unreal Engine gods. Can you God bless God? God bless someone, then. It's supposed to be faster, so hopefully it doesn't take as long as it usually takes for Visual Studio. I hope you are correct, sir. Sir Talus. I hope you are correct. And I trust you are. Because why not? You have not steered me wrong yet. Welcome back, Kai. Using that nice live coding. Compile, compile, compile. Build, 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 build. Build, 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 build. Build. Not Bill Gates, but build, build, build. Like Bob the Builder. Builder. Build, build, build. Yes! Oh. This is the greatest invention. Oh. Fantastic. Alright, okay, so Control Shift F11, Control Shift F11. Okay, so that's good. Alright, let's go back to gas documentation, attribute set base. Okay, now let's actually go to C++ class for this bad boy. So where does he set this? I wonder what the guys in the day used to say before the invention of bread. Back then, they probably used to say, this is the greatest invention since fire. Okay. So does he definitely has a get attribute set base method. Yeah, he does. Oh, wait. No, he doesn't. He doesn't have that. Okay. Okay, just make a pointer that, or no, I already made the pointer. Yeah, I did. Okay, so then all I need to do, we're almost there, baby. Almost there. So first thing, possessed by. Oh, it's not in this on rep. He has on rep in. Oh, I guess it's in his hero class then. So he does do initialize attributes in here. Yes, this makes sense. Init ability actor. Yes, we do that. Okay. Okay, I don't have respawning, so I don't need to do that. Control Shift F1. On rep. Let's get this show on the road, boys. And girls, if there's a girl watching too. Attribute set equals FM player state. I need to get these naming conventions right. Or like not right, but like good, I guess. Initialize attributes. Wait, he does this. If we handle players disconnecting and rejoining in the future, we'll have to change this with the physician. Oh, okay. Okay, I understand what this is saying. Okay. Because this will get called whenever like someone joins a game. So ultimately, but you don't want that. The Legend of Female Programmer. Is that a book? It sounds interesting. That would be that could be a movie, honestly. But yeah, I get what this comment is saying. Basically saying like, you gotta be careful doing this because like if a guy leaves the game and has plans to rejoin with the same attributes, then you're essentially just gonna overwrite the attributes with like the new initial default values because this gets called every time. It gets called at least once, like it gets called every time a person rejoins a game or joins a game, connects to the server. You get the drill. All right, I need the initialize attributes function. Let's see what he did for this guy. Okay, he made a. Okay, it's a void. That's simple. Character. And he made it a public, protected. That's good. I'll literally just make it right here then. And I'll make it a U function as well. I'll definitely add at the end. almost done. We're almost done. Promise, promise, promise. Pinky promise. I don't know why this is still... Wait, why is this... Oh, because I probably didn't save any of them. Okay, control. Oh wait, I didn't. Did I save it? Oh my goodness, I literally always forget. You gotta save these files. I probably didn't make it in time. Legend of Female Programmer. I feel like this is not good for the Twitch or I don't even know what I was gonna say. Build. Oh, Afix, welcome back. Welcome back, Afix. I love having you here. Good to see you. We're building, build. We're using the live coding thing now because apparently that's better because hot reloading is garbage. So build. I think, you know what, maybe what would help my build time from a hardware perspective? I'm guessing obviously probably better CPU, more threads, better clock speed. I don't want to okay, this is going to sound weird, but I rarely overclock my computer. Like, I feel like I should for these streams, but I don't know. I rarely overclock. The only time I'll overclock is if I'm going crazy and, like, I want to play a game on, like, 4K or something. And then, what else? Probably more RAM. Yeah, but I probably won't be upgrading my computer for a long time. 10K wouldn't be a bad milestone unless, like, we hit 10K subs, like, tomorrow. I mean, they'll never happen, but, like... Yes, we love live coding. We love it. Love it. Alright, so what does he do in this function? Oh, no, it's not character based. It's the hero character. We can unpin this, I feel like. Wait, what? Oh, it was in the hero. It was in the base. But he does call it in 2 places. No. Oh, attributes. Wait, no, I'm in it. Okay. Default attributes. Oh, okay. I understand. All right, let me just copy all this. Okay, ability system component. I don't need this. That's fine. Default attributes. That's his own property. Default attributes. It's like gameplay effects. Do the effects have to be blueprints? I want to finish this, but I might have to wait till tomorrow. Nah, we're gonna keep going. Let's look at a game. Okay, I know why there's a gameplay effect. Let's look at his character. He said gameplay effects, default attributes. GE hero attributes. Okay, let's look at that then. Oh, perfect. We like that. Okay. GE hero gameplay effects. Nothing here. Okay, he has this stuff. Okay. He probably has an effect class. What does he have? How does this work? Yeah, okay. This is an override, okay. Can you use in C++? Can we just like apply one? I don't want to spend too much time making a blueprint. There's gotta be like a super quick way to do this. Okay, we got the blueprint. Okay, never mind. We got something. Alright, before I do that, let's just keep moving on then. He made default action. Okay, we're gonna skip that. Let's skip that. So I'm just gonna rid of that for now. Gameplay effect, context handle. Okay. Add source object. Okay. Make outgoing spec. Tronic makes a fairly simple one. Give me 1 sec then, FX. I might go back to it. I might change my mind. Get character level. What is this function? Where does that come from? I don't know why I did Shift F12 there. Isn't this just... Dang, it's been 2 hours. Yeah, I know, Kai. I might stop very soon, honestly, because I might do some research into making a gameplay effect in C++ on my own. You can replace character level with 1. Thank you, Kai. Okay, I'm gonna... I think to end this stream off, I think I'm just gonna like make the class, maybe set up like the header file, and then maybe stop from there. New handle dot is valid. I don't know where is this coming from. Oh, okay, wait. Oh, okay, this is what I made. Apply game flag effect. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Kai. I will definitely check that out as well. But first, gameplay effects. Let's make one. So in his case, so did he only make one gameplay effects spec thing, or he make like more? Oh, he made a lot. Okay, so he made the hero. Okay. Okay, so we made GE hero attributes. Parent class gameplay effect. Gameplay effect, okay. So is one just like... I'll worry about it later. I'll just make one. We just gotta get the show on the road, baby. Gotta get the show on the road. And let's hope so. Let's hope they're straightforward affix. Affix. We like that FN, baby. We like that abbreviation. Oh my goodness. Okay. Boom. I promise we will be done soon. Well, I want to be actually done with this printing ability, but probably not gonna be tonight, unfortunately. How long has it been? It's almost 3 hours. Yeah, definitely gonna stop soon. More like a fix. A fix. Hopefully I remember that. I'm bad at remembering. So I just recompile the project? Wait, what? I just do. Wait. I have no idea what's going on right now. Oh. Wait, it's Control Shift, right? Yeah. Oh, Control Alt. My goodness. I thought the. Whatever. Quick restart, that's fine. So, like, what goes into making a gameplay effect class then? Like, do I even need to make a class for this? I'm literally just gonna copy exactly. So, okay, I'm gonna take the tags away. Or ignore them, I guess. So he has periodic inhibition. Let's make a constructor. Again, I'm just gonna make the header file and then we'll look at it tomorrow. So we'll do I failed. Wait, no. I don't know what I was doing there. Definitely need a. I feel like I definitely need a constructor. He does. Let me just do that. Hello, suspected man. How are you doing? Good to see you. Good to see you. Unfortunately, you came at towards the end of the stream, but I appreciate the compliment. Periodic inhibition policy. What is that? What is this? Let me look at his docs also for information about the gameplay effect. I understand what they are. They change attributes and gameplay tags. The UK. Okay, got it. So he's saying is meant to be a data only class that defines a single gameplay effect. So was I not supposed to make like this grand effect? Wait. I wonder if I should delete this class. Okay, honestly, on that note, I'm gonna do some more research on my own. Which means basically I'll do nothing until tomorrow because I'm lazy. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you to Kai, Affix, Suspected Man, Talus. I saw Bio here earlier, and I guess that's it because I can't scroll any more up. So appreciate you guys joining. Have a great night, rest of your day, whatever. Stay safe, stay healthy, and until next time, which will probably be tomorrow. Peace out.